Lash glue is a critical, often overlooked component of a polished false lash look. The right adhesive balances holding power with comfort, tack time, and ease of removal, while also considering eye safety factors like latex irritants and fragrance. For this review, I evaluated 5 popular options across a tight price range.
List number 1. Kiss Clear Strip Lash Adhesive with Aloe. This Kiss adhesive emphasizes a clear, strong hold with added soothing aloe and markets itself as waterproof, latex-free, formaldehyde-free, and odor-free. The brush-on applicator offers precision for a thin glue line, and the formula is described as hypoallergenic and contact lens friendly. Technical note, 0.17 ounce sizing aligns with typical drugstore lashes, and the product sits squarely in the budget category for this comparison. Performance-wise, the aloe-infused clear drying formula provides a reliable bond on a wide range of strip lashes, while minimizing irritation for sensitive eyes. In practice, the brush applicator enables a controlled, thin line that reduces excess glue and potential seepage onto the lid. The absence of latex and formaldehyde is a meaningful pro for sensitive users, though long-wear testing under heavy activity still relies on proper application technique and lash prep. The formula is described as long-lasting and water-resistant, making it suitable for daily wear and light humidity, but may require careful removal to prevent lash lift on very delicate lashes.
List number 2. Duo is a long-standing staple in the lash world, and this brush-on variant emphasizes a fast-drying, clear finish with added vitamins A, C, and E. It's designed to be hypoallergenic, latex-free, formaldehyde-free, and cruelty-free, with a focus on a strong all-day hold and easy removal. The 0.18 ounce tube aligns with typical travel-friendly sizing and offers a familiar brush-on application style that pros and enthusiasts rely on. In use, the Duo adhesive dries quickly to a transparent film that blends with most lash lines, making it suitable for beginners and seasoned users alike. It holds lashes securely through the day and into the night, with a reputation for reliable removal without damaging natural lashes. Its career-based production and vitamin-infused formula are appealing for sensitive eyes, though some users report needing a slightly longer wait time, around 30 seconds, for optimal tack before application. The brush provides good control but can be less forgiving if over-applied, which may lead to a whitish line before drying.
List number 3. Envy Super Strong Hold Eyelash Adhesive. Envy positions this product as a professional-grade option with a 48-hour hold, waterproof performance, and a latex-free, hypoallergenic formula. The black variant is notable for those seeking a dramatic, seamless finish on lashes, with a brush-on applicator designed for precise, thin layers. The one-pack option provides a robust baseline for frequent users who want maximum hold without reapplication. Performance-wise, the 48-hour hold stands out, particularly in humid conditions or long events. The latex-free composition reduces allergy concerns, and the quick dry property helps users achieve a clean bond without long wait times. The invisible bond when dried is a plus for clean lash lines, though some users may prefer clear glue for lighter lashes to avoid a visible dark line on very light lash bands. The formula is geared toward more confident applications, given the strong hold requires careful placement to avoid misalignment before full tack.
List number 4. Envy Super Strong Hold Eyelash Adhesive. This 2-pack of Envy mirrors the single-pack option, but adds value for frequent wearers who want a spare on hand. The clear finish remains the same strong hold, waterproof performance, and latex-free formula. The 2-pack structure makes it attractive for budget-conscious buyers who want redundancy while still maintaining a premium performance profile. Performance-wise, the 48-hour hold and quick-dry brush-on system translate to reliable, predictable results across a range of lash styles. The clear bond ensures an unobtrusive look, especially with light or medium-density lashes. As with the single-pack variant, users should manage the amount applied and ensure proper tack time to avoid any shifting before the glue fully sets. This option is ideal for regular lash enthusiasts or pros who need dependable backup stock. List number 5. Duo Strip Lash Adhesive. Duo's 0.25-ounce strip lash adhesive features a clear to white transition from application to dry, with a strong hold and waterproof properties. The formula is designed to be friendly for a range of lash styles, including clusters, and emphasizes a secure, all-day hold with a quick drying profile. The slightly larger tube size adds value for light to moderate daily wear. Performance-wise, the white on application can be advantageous for ensuring proper alignment before it dries, though users must wait for it to dry clear. The waterproof claim supports longevity in humid conditions, but the removal process should be performed gently to avoid pulling natural lashes. The adhesive is latex-based, which warrants caution for those with latex sensitivities. The tube design and packaging are convenient for storage and travel, making it a practical staple for many consumers.